Online class start. Welcome to all students. How are you? I am also fine. Thank you. Introduction. MD Anisul Haq, Assistant Teacher, English, Sarai, Uddarpara High School, Haragas, Kaunia, Rangpur. English for today, class 9-10. What do you see in the picture? There are two pictures. In picture 1, this is a family. They are very happy. There are always time excited. Eating together looks gloomy. Picture 1, 2, she is living alone. She is always time thinking and gloomy. Eating alone looks gloomy. What do we see in the picture? Living alone. He is always time. He is thinking and gloomy. Beside picture, living with his family. They are very smiling. My dear learners, which one do you unlike between the two? What do you see in the picture? Living alone, she is thinking always time and gloomy. My dear learners, can you get something and understand? No man can without living alone. Our today's lesson is, can you live alone? Unit 1, lesson 1. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand the text through silent reading, write incident, participate in discussion. My dear learners, look at the picture and discuss in pairs the following questions. Can you live alone in a house? Who tell answer this question? Try to answer this question. I know. Answer this question. No, I cannot live alone in a house. 2 number, make a list of the problems you think you will have if you live alone in a house. Example, having accident, cooking act. If I live alone in a house, I will face some problems. Here is the list of problems. Number 1, there is none. to cook food, none to wash clothes, nobody feeding or accompanying me, feeling lonely, to none to help, accident and so on. My dear learners, look at the picture. It is a village scenery. There are two pictures. In picture one, I see a man beside a house. The man is alone at home. In picture two, I see the man living with his family members. I also a cow and a cat. This is a village. It is a beautiful village. Every man wants to live in this village, as well as young men live in this village. Long ago, a young man lived in a beautiful village. Village people are wants always time for each other, but it was full of problems and sufferings. World, ill feelings, jealousy, enmity, all are part of everybody's life there. So he decided to go a jungle. Young man went to a jungle. This is a jungle. So he left his house and went to a jungle to live by himself. There he made a nice little hut with wood, bamboo and reeds. Ah, how happy I am here, said the man to himself. But one day he found some mice in his hut. The little creatures soon made holes in his blanket. Look at the video. There are some mice. So he brought a cat, but the cat needed milk. In order to supply milk, he had to bring a cow. To take care of the cow, he had to bring a cowboy. The cowboy needed food, so he had to bring a wife. At last, he found himself in a family. Let us some key new words to understand the topic clearly. There are, what do you see in the picture? There are some peoples are for his other worlds who can tell meaning. This word, try to ill feeling meaning, bad mentality, bad thinking, misconduct. Who tell make sentence? My dear student, my dear learners, make sentence. Ill feelings should not be the quality of human beings. Jealousy. There are two boys for each other. Jealousy. Can you say jealousy meaning? Jealousy meaning protectiveness, distrust. Who can make sentence? The boy feeling jealousy to the other boy. Creatures. Look at the picture. There are, I see many insects and birds. Can you meaning this word? Creatures meaning living beings, creation of life, man, animals, birds and insects. My dear learners, who make sentence this word? All creatures are essential for environment. Mice. There are many mouse. Meaning, hotel meaning mice. Mice meaning a group of mouse, plural number of mouse. Sentence, next sentence. The mice guard the blanket of Rupla. Blanket. Do you know this picture? I know. Do you? Picture. Blanket meaning thick cloth to protect cold. In Bengali, kombol. Sentence, next sentence. We use blanket during winter to protect cold. My dear students, I will discuss about this section. Read the story and answer the question that follow. Long ago, a young man found life in the family in his village full of problems and sufferings, world, ill feelings, jealousy, enmity. All are part of everybody life there. So he left his house and went to a jungle to live by himself. There he made a nice little hut with wood, bamboo and reeds. Ah, how happy I am here, said the man to himself. But one day he found some mice in his hut. The little creatures soon made holes in his blanket. So he brought a cat to kill the mice. The cat needed milk, so he brought a cow. The cow needed grass and hay. So he brought a cowboy. The cowboy needed food. So he took a wife to cook meals. Then children are born to them, and the man found himself again in a family. So nobody can live alone unless they are either angels or devils. People needed food, shelter, companion and cooperation. They need to help each other, and if they live in a family or community, their need can be fulfilled. Hence, living in society can make people good and happy citizens. My dear student, start your books. What 5 things did the young man do in the jungle? Now, divide into group of 5. Tell the story of the groups sequentially. Can you answer? Make your group and try to this answer. There are 5 things. 5. Listen to me what I say. 5 things that the young man did in the jungle. Number 1, made a little nice in the heart. Number 2, brought a cat to kill the mice. Number 3, brought a cow to get milk. Number 4, brought a cowboy to tend the cow, to a wife to cook food. Section D. I will discuss about section D. Answer this question. First discuss in pair, then write the answer individually. My dear students, there are 6 questions. Number 1 question: why did young man live in his house? Why did the young man? Who tell? Answer this question. Try to something. Sometimes the young man found of life in the society. So he left his house. Number 2, what did he make a hut? I know you must be answer to this question. Then I will answer the question. He made a hut in the jungle. He used wood, bamboo and reeds to make the hut. Number 3, was the man happy in his heart? My dear learners, can you try to answer to the question? Do you know answer to the question? The man could not become happy in his heart. Number 4, how did he find himself again in a family? How the young man again in a family. Something gets try to answer the question, my dear learners. This question, answer to the question. Actually, one problem begets when the young man found some mice in his heart, so he brought a cat. The cat needed milk, so he brought a cow. The cow needed grass and hay, so he brought a cowboy. The cowboy needed food to cook food, so took his wife. He found himself again in a family. Number 5 question: where and how he can person be happy? A man live in the society. He become happy and excited. Society and other peoples live in the people and very happy. Number 6, what is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is man cannot live alone. Homework: write a paragraph on the problem and comfort of living in a society. Universal truth: man cannot live without society. See you again. Allah Hafiz.